We already derived the roots of a quadratic equation in our previous session. This session we are just going to find the sum and product of the roots. When we solve a quadratic equation, we know that we will be getting two roots. So here I am just going to take the two roots as alpha and beta. So the value of alpha will be minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta will be minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now we are just going to find the sum of the two roots and the product of the two roots. First we will find the sum of the roots. Sum will be alpha plus beta. We clearly have the two values here. So we are just going to add these two values. So each of them are fractions. If we see the denominator is the same. So we can make it as a common denominator, and I'll put the denominator as 2a. And now let us just add the two numerator terms. So we'll be getting minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac plus the numerator of the second term, which is minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac. So here we can clearly just cancel out these two terms, because we have plus root of b square minus 4ac and minus root of b square minus 4ac. So we can cancel, and we'll be left with, we have minus b plus minus b in the numerator, which will be giving us minus 2b divided by, as usual, denominator is 2a. And once again, if I simplify this, we can just cancel these two 2's and we'll be left with minus b by a. And hence the sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is minus b by a. And next, coming to the product is nothing but the multiplication of the two values, which will be, actually we have to multiply these two terms. So again we'll do the multiplication of the numerator terms and divided by the multiplication of the denominator terms. Okay, so we'll multiply the two numerator values, minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac. This is one term. This multiplied by minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by, now coming to the denominators, we have 2a into 2a, which will be nothing but 4a square. Continuing this is equal to, now if you see the numerator, these two terms are actually like a plus b into a minus b. So we'll have a plus b into a minus b as simply a square minus b square. We very well know the identity. So let's use the same identity over here. So when I do that, what happens is, we'll have minus b the whole square, which is a term. A term here is minus b, so minus b the whole square minus, here our b term is actually root of b square minus 4ac. I'll have to square that term. So when I square this term, we will be free from the root. So we'll be simply having minus of b square minus 4ac whole divided by, and here denominator is 4a square. So we'll just continue it here. So when I again come to the numerator part, we'll be having minus b the whole square. Minus b the whole square is nothing but b square itself, minus, we'll just bring that minus to the inside part. So we'll have b square minus b square, and minus into minus will be plus 4ac whole divided by denominator is 4a square. So once again I can just cancel out these two terms, that is b square minus b square, they'll go, which will be equal to, we are left with 4ac divided by, denominator we have 4a square. Let me write 4a square as 4a into a, so that I can very easily cancel 4a with 4a, and here we will be left with c by a. And hence here the product of the roots is c by a. And this is how we get sum of the roots of a quadratic equation to be minus b by a, and product of the roots to be c by a. For more math concepts like this, kindly subscribe to my channel VAAGAI Math Coaching, and also share to your friends. Again, let's catch up in the next session soon. See you there. Thank you so much.